With 7 spacious seats, the Summit is the largest of the Crown collection. It features triple Adirondack lounges that are amazingly comfortable, and 4 facing therapy seats, the perfect place to reconnect with friends and get a great massage. The Summit features Regal specialized massage seats. 2 deep tissue massage seats are ideal for chronic pain. Relaxation massage seat is a peaceful place to recenter. 2 shiatsu massage seats help you relax and rebalance. Swedish massage seat combines deep tissue therapy with a variety of sensations. For your trouble spots, the Summit is engineered with 4 hot zones. The high-flow laminar jets target specific zones of the body. The pump's entire water flow can be focused toward highly targeted muscle groups: shoulder zones, lumbar zones, foot zones. And for a real thrill, you also have a thunderous Regal Whitewater-4 jet. This colossal therapy jet delivers massive flow rates, perfect for leg and foot therapy, especially effective on plantar fasciitis. Our dynamic flow control valve is extremely simple and intuitive. Blue activates the blue jets. Red activates the red hot zone jets. Halfway in between activates both. Simple. No other hot tub brand has this feature. You can customize your experience with Microsilk Skin Health and Beauty System, Jewel LED lighting, Crown audio with Bluetooth, Control My Spa wireless connectivity, Environments Step and Bench. Are you ready to experience your own private wellness center? Visit your local marquee dealer for a limited time special offer today.